Me didn't know so the day I come. It was only a matter of time. You know, sometimes you enjoy doing something so much that you just find it hard to let go. And unfortunately for me, that is animations. You see, animating is something I enjoy doing. The idea of telling a story from a blank canvas is something I find fascinating. But if you ask me, animating is damn hard. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Look. This is something I enjoy doing, you see me? But the thing is, YouTube requires consistency. And keeping that in mind, say, yo, I have a full-time job, keeping consistency when it comes down to animating, I got kind of difficult for me, you see me? Let me give you an example. So, I work on this video for like 3 to 5 days now. So, I want to edit it and drop it by Christmas. Keep in mind, say Christmas pass already, I know you don't see videos, so you must know. Alright? So, I'm going to show you how I edit up on something 3 to 5 days. And tell me if you would continue to. So, see it here. It's the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. If I ask you what's the one thing you don't want to experience over the Christmas holiday, what would be your answer? Some might say them don't want to go broke. I may get that. Some might say them don't want to have a Christmas tree without gifts under it. Alright. Now what if I tell us I may experience something 1,000 times worse than I can ever imagine? What if I tell us I may experience something so terrifying, so excruciating that for a quick second, I wish me they did? Don't believe me? Alright, let me tell you what go on. So the story take place over a weekend, Christmas season, college days. I remember I did the Christmas season simply because there are some stupid people for some reason I wear the Christmas color them go to school. Like fam, a red shirt and a green tie will never go together. You need to make better life decisions. Big and serious. So I in my room at school and I notice say, big Sunday I have no food for my shelf. Now you need to remember say, I know me yard me there. This is another place where you wake up with matter in here. Yeah, your mother already wake up, peas in a pressure cooker, get ready for dinner, while porridge dey on counter with crackers in a sauce wait for you. No, bro. No. This is a college fam. Get up on your own. I know you might have asked the question, say, so, want to the cafeteria? And for that, me ask you something. If you want chef, you work on a Sunday. For some people where they even like, you gotta make sure you put your foot in there. Highly unlikely. You see me? So I try my best more if I try to avoid the cafeteria, especially on a Sunday. So I decide to go to the supermarket go buy some things for you there. Not ordinary. Just a walk go high low, go get something there and come back to my room.
Damn!
I'm sorry. Because it was a thought. No, seriously. It was a thought. It was a thought, and I blurted it out. I did not mean it that way.
I'm fine.
Okay, but just understand I didn't mean it the way it came out.
Then if you understand, I do all this from a trash-ass PC. A Lenovo IdeaPad S145.
What the hell is even that?
And though I have the nice microphone and I have the drawing tablet and all of that, it make the process now easier because the computer's slow. You see me? You know what? Let me show you what my working process look like. Just to make you have an idea as to what I have to go through for every animation video I create. So the first thing I need is a script. You see me? I need to know what I go set to. Alright? And for that, I use the application Evernote because it's easy. You can sync my phone to my laptop. If I type on a laptop, it's sent to my phone and all of that. You see me? And then again, for every single script, me do like 2 or 3 versions of the same video, just to make sure say everything is short and nice. You see me? Pause. Alright. Next up, the audio. The audio is a tricky one if you ask me. Because it's a Jamaica. During the day, you will hear yenging a pass, you will hear dog a park, you will hear jackhammer over a construction site over there. So, whole heap of noise during the day. During the night, it come like somebody tell a bad joke, you hear cricket out the door. It's a lose-lose situation. But when the audio or the ambience of the room is ideal, the application I may use for this is Audacity. You see me? Thereafter, I use Levelator. Levelator I use for make sure say if me a shout in the microphone, you don't hear it as loud. After the audio, then a time for me animate. Now I have to use 2 applications when it comes down to animating. For actually creating the video, me use Premiere Pro. So that I will me put in the audio and then put in the character and chop up this and do that and then me need the animation aspect, which me have to draw and all of them something, and for that me use Krita. You see me? Now this is the hardest part of the animation process. The part that make me not want to do this again, to be honest. Right? Because think about it.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
So after me do the drawing and all them something there and animating, cutting up and adding audio, meme sounds, meme videos and all them something there, we need to make sure say I can upload to YouTube. So when you export things from out of Premiere Pro, as in making it a video, the file them normally large, up to 10 gig on them size there. So you need to make it a bit smaller because 10 gig take like 5 days to upload on YouTube based on Jamaican internet speed. So I have to compress it, make it smaller. So for that, I use Handbrake. Handbrake easy to use, just fling in the video, press a button and voila. A 4 gig or 10 gig video becomes 100 to 200, 300 megabytes. You see me? Which you can upload like within a couple of minutes. After that, then we need a thumbnail where you see if you click on if you know see my video. If you compare the thumbnails I may have before and the thumbnails I may have now, you kind of say the more recent one them kind of look better. You see me? So the application I may use for this is Photoshop. Photoshop, I can just remove certain things and add certain things and create a new template or a new thumbnail. You see me? Because I kind of group me thing them, so it's easy for me now. Right? So that's my working process. Now keep in mind that I like 7 or 8 applications just for one single video. You see me? I decide to I continuously use the stock videos. Just to have a balance between being difficult and easy and producing like decent videos same way. So yeah. We see how the style I work moving forward. You see me? See you in the next one. You did. Peace.